Think you're a math master? Think again. Get ready for the ultimate math challenge. Only the sharpest minds will survive. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more brain-busting quizzes. 99 plus 101 equals? It's 200. 202 plus 333 equals? It's 535. What is 20% of 200? The answer is 40. 245 minus 112 equals? The answer is 133. 7 times 12 equals? $84. 128 plus 37 equals? It's 165. 342 plus 168 equals? The answer is 510. 150 minus 75 equals? The answer is 75. 3.5 plus 2.3 equals? It's 5.8. If 3 apples cost $1.50, how much do 5 apples cost? $2.50. What is 25% of 80? $20. 620 minus 280 equals? The answer is 340. 234 plus 152 equals? The answer is 386. John runs 3 miles every day. How many miles does he run in a week? 21 miles. 8.2 minus 1.8 equals? $6.4. 266 plus 544 equals? It's 810. 128 plus 651 equals? The answer is 779. 689 minus 332 equals? The answer is 357. 24 times 6 equals? The answer is 144. If 4 bags of chips cost $6, how much would 10 bags of chips cost? $15. 12.5 plus 1.75 equals? It's 14.25. 1234 plus 234 equals? $14.68. 920 minus 55 equals? The answer is 865. 300 times 12 equals? The answer is 3600. What is 75% of 300? $225. 72 divided by 6 equals? It's 12. 1153 plus 290 equals? The answer is 1443. 1290 minus 178 equals? The answer is 1112. 17.8 plus 10.4 equals? It's 28.2. What is 25% of $300? $75. A train travels 250 miles in 2 hours. What is its average speed? (125 miles per hour). 678 plus 567 equals? The answer is 1245. 2200 minus 845 equals? The answer is 1355. 21 times 8 equals? It's 168. 22.5 plus 15.2 equals? $37.7. 1890 plus 440 equals? It's 2330. What is 30% of 600? The answer is 180. 144 divided by 12 equals? The answer is 12. 1535 plus 345 equals? $1880. 35.6 minus 12.5 equals? The answer is 23.1. Well done, everyone! Which question did you find the most challenging? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more brain teasers, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss our next challenge. Thanks for watching!